Botim app video calling problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for the Botim application just to make sure you have an updated version of the application. As you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the application. So what we can simply do is go back to the home screen and drag up the app list and simply make a long press on the Botim application. Now tap on the app info, and as you tap on app info, simply all you need to do is scroll down and you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So tap on clear data and clear the cache. Now make sure you tap on the app permissions and give access to all of these options like files and media, camera, microphone, and so on that are all required for the option. So as you do that, you'll be able to fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.